I have a job for you.
Ooh, it's hot.
Ooh, can we have one, Miss Skylar?
I know, but
You can't go back now.
the wrong shit. This is why you guys get bad reviews, and then you guys are complaining about it on YouTube, but you don't see what you guys do. That's
all right. We're gonna go over the carb kit. So my thought is, if you guys do a pipe, this, and maybe a cam, you can probably close to double the horsepower of that bike. So you're gonna get your CP carburetor, throttle cable, because the stock carburetor has a twist-on cap. He's gonna try to buy his bike with his own money. Deal? Was he take it?
no, it doesn't look ugly.
Yeah, see, it's opinion.
What you do is you just peel this little piece out of here. Oh, I'm struggling today. Yeah, I'd say probably the Harley shop.
Okay, I'll feel bad. All right, bud.
Good luck. He was talking through the mail flap.
Oh, yeah.
I have a job for you.
What is it?
It's a privilege, actually.
What is it?
Take this.
What?
Take it. Let's go upstairs. I'm gonna let you name one of the printers. They're all gonna have names now, because I have. Do you want to name one? You gonna pick one out?
Name one already?
What?
Name one
The
already?
lower left, I'm gonna name because it's a little special. I think we're gonna call it Paulina. I'll let you name one though. Anyone you want, Paul.
See, now you think of a good name. Put me on the spot.
It's gotta be a good one too.
Ooh, it's hot.
Ooh, can we have one, Miss Skylar? So
Yeah,
this
Miss
one,
Skylar.
okay, so this one is definitely the most problematic, but it takes on the largest challenges. This one, these two are just like cruise control. These are pretty much cruise control. That one definitely takes on the challenges, but see, you can put the name here, 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 here. Okay, you get to name one.
Which one do I name?
Anyone you want, Paul.
I'll do this one.
You do that one? Okay, we're gonna name it.
George.
Just George, that's it? George? Okay.
Can we name one Frank?
You got your name.
I know, but
You can't go back now.
no, but can we name another one Frank?
No. The next one's after John. John gets to name
Well,
one too.
you can choose to take this. You have to ask Brad.
No, I don't know what's the name though. I don't know yet. Why are you doing that? Weirdo. Let's dive into this. You just got an email. Okay, let me see what it says. Read it.
Bro, I'm mad AF. On top of you charged me $7 for shipping me a gasket. You gonna mail me the wrong shit. This is why you guys get bad reviews, and then you guys are complaining about it on YouTube, but you don't see what you guys do. That's fucked up. Last time I ever buy anything for you, MF, I want my money back.
So look up his order. Let's see what he got.
That's the subject of the email. That's a very long subject.
Hit me with some chips and some guac, please. And some spicy sauce as well. You got that?
Yes.
We'll see. All right, we're gonna go over the carb kit. This is a really cool product. We picked up 2 wheel horse, and that was still a little bit rich. So my thought is, if you guys do a pipe, this, and maybe a cam, you can probably close to double the horsepower of that bike all combined. That being said, the stock carburetor leaves a lot to be desired. It's just a funky This is a funky style carb with some oddball style jets. So we decided to eliminate that completely because we figured a lot of guys would want the gains. First things first, we're gonna start with the Plini CP carburetor. These are made in Italy. So right there and then, it's gonna be a lot better than a lot of the carbs out there. What you're gonna get is you're gonna get 2 caps here. Those caps are gonna be for your 2 ports here. One would be for vacuum for your petcock. The other one is going to be for your oil injection, which you will not be using on this bike. But very simple carburetor, very easy to tune. Hands down, our most popular selling carburetor across the board for every bike is the CP. So you're gonna get your CP carburetor, this fancy little box here. And then you're gonna get a Plini main jet pack, and this is gonna have all your main jets in it. And then you're gonna get an S23 pilot jet kit. So this is gonna handle all your fueling to be able to tune the bike. Put these over here. Then you're going to get a throttle cable because the stock carburetor has a twist-on cap, and it's Honda typically they use that twist-on cap, and it's kind of a part of the cable. So you can't use that factory cable with this style carburetor. Pat fixed all his money left on his desk, and he's gonna go offer it to him to buy his bicycle from him. Yeah, go do it. He's gonna try to buy his bike with his own money. Oh no, here we go. Hey John, it's his Paul's money he had sitting on the desk that he's buying them. Deal? Does he take it?
He's like, what am I gonna do?
Oh.
It's an aesthetic. People love them stretched and loaded.
Why?
I don't know, man.
It looks dumb.
It's like cars. It's like
No.
when people dump their cars and then their f***ing wheels are look like a 45-degree angle. That looks ugly too.
No, it doesn't look ugly.
Yeah, see, it's opinion.
Within reason, John.
Well, the real question you should be asking yourself is, will people buy it? Because that's what really matters.
Okay, I don't think we'll sell more than 5 or 10.
Well, is it worth production?
Unlikely.
This one also gives you some adjustment here and some adjustment here, which is nice as well to get some slack out of the cable. Then you're going to get an adapter. This adapter allows this remote choke to go into this part of the carburetor. So if you want to reach under all the time and grab this choke and click it up, it's going to come with this kit. This adapter here is going to go into the body of the carburetor onto this cable. It's basically going to look like so on your bike. You can mount that to your transmission bolt. That's where most people put it. Next up, we have this adapter here. We just chose to do it this way versus buying the boot by itself. So you're going to get an adapter, gasket, and bolts. These you could toss in the garbage or toss in your bolt bin. You are not going to use this adapter that comes with this kit. This is going to fit Aero. Yeah, so you can keep it. It will fit some bikes, but it's not going to fit the Navi. It just made more sense for us to sell you this whole kit with this piece. So that you will not use on the Navi. You're just going to use the boot. And then we have our proprietary billet adapter. That's going to bolt to your stock manifold on the Navi. Just like so. Who's that? Wow, is that Chipotle? They're fast. No. That's going to fit on just like that. That allows this carb to fit on the Navi because the stock carburetor has a bolt pattern to it. Oh boy. Ooh, that top one looks a little scary.
That's my mother's packaging.
Is it? That your mom packed that?
Yeah.
It looks like it's giving birth. Package is going to need a C-section. Okay, so that's going to be our adapter. You do need this to run an aftermarket carburetor. There's no way around it. Like I said, the Navi Carb basically has a bolt pattern on it like so that bolts to the manifold. So you do need to have this piece. It's required. Also, you cannot run this and the carburetor with your stock airbox. Keep that in mind because the orientation and everything is going to be different. So you will need to run a pod filter, and we have included this bad boy here, our S23 filter, which comes with a 30 degree, a 90 degree. Was that just open?
What? No. Guess how much stuff they put in here.
Nut.
1 master link.
No. Okay. Now I gotta start over again, Paul. Right in the middle of.
Oh, sorry. Take 2. He's like a little.
He just walked up and said, "Hey," right in the middle of doing a video. You're not sorry, though.
I'm not. I mean, see, now you have more entertainment. See that? He was gonna throw the filter at me.
Well, no, I set the filter
I didn't
down
see
to
it. It
grab-
wasn't on
I
video.
set the filter down to grab something heavier. Okay. Take 2. Can we get one of those things?
Do you like the little
Clip? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
All right, so you're gonna get our air filter to go with it. You've got a little 30-degree adapter there as well. 30-degree adapter, so if you want to angle it one way or another, you totally can. Up to you. Or it also comes with a 90. Again, you know, if you want to angle it one way or another, totally up to you. And the filter. The filter, you're just gonna, and it comes with the straight as well. So it comes with all these pieces and a clamp, depending on how you want. You know, if you want it like this, sideways, or 90.
These are newer people. Do you want to explain that you don't just put this in here?
What do you mean?
I mean, some people I've seen, you know, so we could just put these all together.
These are actually like, oh, they do go together. So for your water crossings, what's funny is,
It probably work.
yeah. Okay, no, that's not what you do. I mean, clearly you can do that. What you do is you just peel this little piece out of here, and you've got this rim, this little lip around here, and the lip around the air filter. So what I typically do is just kind of fold it, get it in the lip, and you just kind of
Warp it in.
work this thing around. Yeah, sometimes the 90 is a little bit harder. I kind of squeeze it, fold it in, and then it kind of pops back out.
Why don't you just show them with this since you got to put it
Yeah,
back
that'd make
together.
more sense. So I typically go like this. I fold it down like that.
And then
Get it lined up in the little lip there.
bam.
Maybe? I'm struggling today. There you go. So, goes in just like that. And again, you can use any of these. So we just provide all these pieces just because depending on how you want the filter to look and whatnot.
Now you're gonna show them how to install it.
I will, but first let's show them, let's grab a quick throttle that would complement that well. These 2 guys, these are gonna be your quick throttle kits. So since you have to install a new cable, you're gonna take your whole throttle apart. If you want a better feel, less twisting motion, less throw on your cable and your carburetor, grab one of these. Make sure you grab a Honda style or Ruckus style. You don't want the one for Yamaha. We have the needle bearing one in different colors. We have the regular one in black, but this is an extra thing. If you're gonna do that kit, this is kind of like a nice nice addition since you're gonna be taking it all apart anyways. Pop this on. It's no more labor to put this on. But yeah, I'll show you guys how to put this thing on and how to install it on the bike. It's pretty straightforward. You're gonna need to take your air box off. You'll need hand tools, basic hand tools. But yeah, it's pretty easy to install.
Okay.
What would be the closest place?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say probably the Harley shop.
Okay, I'll do that. All right, bud.
Good luck. He was talking through the mail flap. I'm gonna show you guys how I would prefer doing it. You're gonna take the cap, the cable, thread it through here, like so. This piece is going to replace this guy here. You're gonna take your stage 6 choke. Now you take this guy, thread it down over. This is gonna kind of hold everything inside, of course. Honda bond here, and you're gonna bolt it right to the motor. So you wanna make sure that slide's coming all the way up and snapping down nicely. And what's really nice about this carb, other than the massive gains, which I'm sure Pat will post a picture of